Hello South Africa. He will never know peace, EFF issues stern warning to Ramaphosa. The Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, has vowed that President Cyril Ramaphosa will never know peace as the National Assembly did not adopt the Section 89 independent panel report into Phala Phala farm allegations. The National Assembly met on Tuesday, December 13, to debate the report and vote on whether or not it should be adopted. Had it been adopted, this would have paved the way for an impeachment inquiry against Ramaphosa. The EFF is one of the political parties which have been vocal and critical of Ramaphosa regarding the theft of foreign currency from his Phala Phala farm in 2020. The Red Berets said the African National Congress, ANC, used its majority in parliament to defend corruption and stifle accountability, oversight, and transparency. The party described the decision by ANC members of parliament to vote against the adoption of the bill as diabolical, adding that their action reveals a deep-seated disrespect for the country's constitution. Furthermore, the EFF said proceedings during the National Assembly debate are the beginning of a war in defense of constitutionalism and the rule of law. Ramaphosa will never know peace, and his best course of action remains immediate resignation because the EFF will ensure he leaves the office of the President of South Africa disgraced, the party added. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.